Hello, my name is Jose Reyes, and I'll be talking about accessibility feedback in mobile applications reviews. User reviews represent a valuable source of information for developers and researchers to learn about the challenges users face when using mobile applications. However, when it comes to accessibility, studies that analyze reviews from this perspective are limited. Our research looks at a dataset of 1,200 accessibility reviews. First, we perform a keyword extraction on the user reviews to identify what specific accessibility features are brought up and with what frequency. The most common keywords are those related to dark mode and night theme, as well as those related to customizability, such as customize and options. When we compare the keywords with the verbiage of both the WCAG and BBC guidelines, we notice a disparity in the terms used by these guidelines and the terms used by users. Terms like dark theme and night mode are not mentioned in either guideline. On the other hand, terms like option and customization do appear in the guidelines, but not in the same context users use them. Mapping users' language to the accessibility guidelines can be very useful in future automated classification of user reviews. Hence, our second contribution was building a dataset of user reviews that are labeled by accessibility guidelines. We classify reviews using two different classification systems: accessibility categories as defined by Valentine et al., and the accessibility guidelines established by the WCAG. Both of these classifications reveal similar observations. Users tend to primarily bring up accessibility concerns related to the audiovisual presentation of the app and customizability, followed by concerns regarding physical interaction with the app. One peculiarity to note is that reviews concerning neurological conditions didn't always fit neatly into a classification, suggesting a blind spot in accessibility categories and guidelines. Since the concerns and focus of accessibility guidelines do not perfectly match those expressed in reviews, this can provide insight into what accessibility features actually affect the users. In summary, we created a dataset of accessibility reviews, classified using accessibility guidelines categories, and further labeled using the WCAG guidelines. User reviews provide a source of feedback to identify and address accessibility issues that are not well addressed in existing guidelines, and they can also be used to improve existing guidelines in order to more clearly convey high-risk accessibility flaws. Thanks for your time.